Thank you, sir.
No problem.
The Gurney elevator, 1927. You don't see stuff like this anymore these days.
Maybe. I don't know. They did a few. Somewhere.
Motor's been upgraded on this one.
Okay, we go down.
I just get a view of that hand crank. Oh, I'm sorry, I just want to get a view of that crank. I mean, look at all the detail on this thing. You don't see this on modern elevators.
Yeah.